The course is about kind of keeping your pipeline full and healthy and how you do that. The fact that if you do these things regularly and make it a habit and do different things to stand out, you really never have to worry about not keeping your pipeline full, if that makes sense.
It helps you visualize things and be more efficient, optimize what you're already good at in a more structured fashion, but also helps you get ahead of the competition. And like Jason says, the goal is to gain an extra market share out there.
When I've gone through this pipeline class, I have learned to think of things differently, review what I do differently, and be willing to change what's not working and improve upon what is working.
I found a lot of small golden nuggets that really are going to make a lot of difference, I think, in my everyday. One of them being, like I said, the taking the different techniques, changing up the my approach with customers or cold calls. There was just a lot in this one that that I never knew was there.
One of them is addressing is to be able to disrupt patterns and legitimize what needs to get done to get the job done at the end of the day.
Just being able to take control of my pipeline. I've learned how to manage my time better, be more productive.
Although I think I am very systematic in how I approach my sales pipeline, there was plenty more I was not doing to help me make me more relevant to prospects.
There's a customer I have up in my territory in North Arkansas, and they're really, really small. I go in there from time to time on a consistent pattern, but I always go in there no matter what and show them new product that they might be interested in or a type of promotion that we're doing, just so that I'm not one of those guys that just comes in there and kind of takes the order, but I'm actually a person that kind of cares, that really cares about their growth of their business. And most of the time they say no because they really don't need it. But the last time I went in, I showed him a promotion we were doing. He goes, I don't need it, but I know someone who does. And he got me in contact with another person, and he actually sent my name to 3 people. And as a result of that happening, I have a new customer and another one that's filling out the paperwork that I'm following up with later this week.
This account was nothing but a pipe dream, not a pipeline, but a pipe dream. The customer is willing to listen to what we have to offer because using social network, we've managed to get a contact inside the Australian government, WorkSafe Australia, that's saying, hey, companies like Bunnings are selling products, fuel containers that are not certified. So we need to fix this. Otherwise, some consumers are going to get hurt. So there we go. I've talked to leadership, and they're open to finding some solutions. So I thought, that falls into this lesson that we went through over the last few weeks.
The reaction you get from the customers. Everybody can read their customers. When they're not interested. And when I set up an appointment or a meeting and they give me the time and they listen and they follow up with other questions, that they're paying attention. Getting that you can feel that they're starting to trust you a little more and they start to open up a little more so you can do a little more. And with that, you just take advantage of your sales skills and try to open the portfolio and then follow through.